This is how I weld plastic with a torch. I made this little shoe out of sheet metal, some old roofing tin, and an old piece of brake line. Brazed, bent to a V. The only hole is for the plastic. The flame doesn't blow against the plastic directly. And you only need enough flame to keep this hot. A little bit more than a lighter is all it takes. I use plastic I cut from 5-gallon pail. You can go around and around and just make yourself some little rods. But 5-gallon pail plastic seems to work with just about anything, ATV fenders or whatever. This is a washing machine tub that I had the bearings go out on and the pulley cut in, so I'm just repairing it and building it back up. You only need a tiny flame, maybe a little more than this. It's kind of hard to adjust it when it gets that low, but I don't know if you can see that very well, but that's about all a person needs. All right, I'll try to zoom in. So the shoe melts the plastic, and then you run a filler rod in, similar to as if you were TIG welding. Just work your way along. I actually have the flame a little bit low right now, but yeah. I like when the flame reaches the tube. If you go much higher on the flame, it'll burn the plastic. You can see that's just too much. Anyways, might not look great, but when you're done, you can sand it off. You can see it gets good penetration and really adheres. So that's how I made a homemade plastic welder.